Hello guys, welcome to the series. My name is Galaxie and today we are gonna learn about pulling images from Docker Hub and also learn some commands. Before starting this series, I want to make sure that your Docker is running. So head over to your command prompt or terminal and type Docker. If the Docker command is properly running, then it will show this command for the Docker. Otherwise your system has not been properly installed. So head over to my previous chapter and look for it. So let's move on. Today we are going to create some container, and for that we need image, and we just need to start with some image. There is hello world image in the Docker Hub. So I'll just head over to that website from the Docker. I'll put the link in the description. So this Docker Hub is the repository for the public image. So many people around the globe, they just put their images on the Docker Hub. Also there are many registry from GitHub, GitLab. They also provide these kind of services to put your images, and you can pull your images. And particularly since we are the beginner, I'm going to talk about the hello world, how we start. So I'm gonna look for the hello world image. So just type hello -world and enter. You will see in the first hello world image. So you will see to pull the image there will be the command in the right side, and you just copy it. Alright, also there are many tags related to this hello world app, as you can see, and the recent tag is here over here. Also you can head down over here. They have given you some example output, how to run it, and also some tag, latest, nano server, simple tag. So this tag is nothing but the versioning of the images. When someone put the image in the Docker Hub, they need versioning because they might have different version of their app. As the time passes by, they might upgrade their package or their images. So this is the public repository for the image, and we are gonna use hello world. I'm just gonna copy this command, docker pull hello world, and I'm just gonna open my terminal. Once you copy command from the Docker Hub, then just head over to your terminal. I'm on the Mac, so I'm gonna use terminal. If you are from Linux, then use the terminal as well. And from the Windows, you can use command prompt. Once the command prompt is run, then just paste the command. The command will be docker, and the command here main focus is pull, which will pull the image, and the image name is hello world. So just hit enter, allow if they ask some permission. So you can see over here, this command is trying to pull hello world image with the tag latest, even though we haven't put the tag latest. So we are gonna talk about the tag in later episode. For now, if we just give the name of the image just like this without any tag, it will pull or fetch the latest. So here also you can see the information. It cannot connect to Docker daemon, so we need to run this Docker daemon. That means we have installed the Docker-Deskop, right, in the previous episode. So we need to run it. I'll just search for it and run it, and Windows user just run by double clicking the Docker-Deskop that we have installed in previous episode. So it will run, and here the container is empty. Also the images is also empty. Now I will type the same command, docker pool hello world, and hit enter. Once this command run, the hello world image will pull from the Docker hub into our computer. Then you can head over to your Docker-Deskop, and you can see on the image panel, click over here, you can see the image has come. Now to see the list of images, we have another command, that is docker space images, and hit enter. You can see there is a hello world image with the tag latest, and it has got some ID and the size. If you look into the Docker-Deskop, you can also find over here the name, tag, image ID, and the size as well. So this is the first command to check the list of images available locally in your computer. Now to run this image, hello world, we need a container, right? Because to create the container we need image, and image is the blueprint. We can create as many as of our likes, so we can create multiple container from this one hello world image. I'm just gonna show you how you create the container, and you can keep the command docker run and the image name hello-world. To run the container from the image, you can just run with the name of this image, as well as you can use the image ID. So I'm just gonna use the image name and hit enter. Once it runs, this hello world has some content on it, and it get executed, and it runs the container, and the container output hello from Docker, and it will provide you the step that the Docker took. Docker client contacted the Docker daemon. Docker daemon pulled the hello world image from the Docker hub, right? So we have pulled the hello world image. To run the container, we have given this command, right, run command. So, and it outputs hello from Docker at the end. So this is just the hello world to run your container. And if we head over to the Docker-Deskop, you can see the images. Also you can see the container. So this container just run for a minute and stop. So this is it, guys. This is all for today. We are gonna learn more about the Docker. If you find this video helpful, please stay connected. I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.